I got 50% of conversion, 5 out of 10 people converted to my community. And later also same thing, four people attended and two people got converted.
Incredible. Big round of applause, Lakshmi. Super happy for you. Everybody.
Thank you. Credit goes to my dear Seema. Actually, yesterday I had a client and I used so many things. She got into my system.
Oh.
One-on-one coach.
You're on a roll, Lakshmi.
Because I've trained with, I've done Bob Proctor, I've done Tony Robbins. You're literally at that level.
Wow, thank you.
You're not, I haven't seen a single Indian coach. Like I've gone for some of, and I don't mind naming people. I've been to workshops, I've been to all these people, but what you know, they don't know. All of them, God bless them, may they make more money, but their level of knowledge is very limited compared to you. Your level is completely different. He sent me a screenshot and said, "Ma'am, I've paid 50%. I'll pay the other 50% next week because I can see you've already given me a breakthrough." So thank you, Seema, for that.
Wow, that's incredible, Avril, because you came into the program mainly for this sort of convert high-ticket clients, and it started happening. That's amazing.
Since I started with you, I've converted 3 6-figure clients.
Wow.
Because it immediately gave me that confidence that, and that same day I signed up for a client. She was in a situation where she was very stressful, low on motivation. I started taking her sessions. She had a beautiful smile and she was just a different person altogether. Next day, she messages me, Ishani, I can't tell you what magic you did, but things have started working out for me. I can bring that smile on someone's face.
It's really going in an awesome manner. And 2 days before, I did a group visualization. This is the first time I'm doing it for around 30 people. And after the visualization, many of the mothers were like, their eyes were really teary. So I was like, wow, okay. And to be honest, Seema, I'm just loving this energy.
Wow, the way I'm learning to get people to say yes, it's so scary right now, So I feel like going to every meeting, looking forward to the ones who say no to me. I get them to say yes. And they keep asking me, what have you done to yourself? I feel very powerful, Seema. So it is a fascinating ride into people's minds,
My coaching sessions with parents, I'm getting, magical feedbacks. Parents telling, you spoke to my son and my son started behaving totally different with me. Just one session. And I myself don't know, so much of wisdom is coming out of me. Suddenly, some parent is coming up with a different challenge. Siblings fight. I'm able to tell that pinpointedly, this is the problem. Wow. This is the reason why siblings are fighting with each other. And this is what you need to do. Some magical things happening.
Seema Manek, ma'am, is absolutely incredible. Her empathy, depth of knowledge, personalized guidance have been invaluable. She doesn't just teach, she empowers. She helps every participant to get breakthroughs. And she has such long years of experience. She knows exactly how to transform somebody. So the changes in my clients have been profound.
I wanted to share something with you, Seema. So there was this one client that I was having some trouble with, because of which I joined this program, because I was like, there needs to be something that you can do with a client who will not do anything. This client has had amazing progress. Like, she was unmotivated. She didn't want to do anything. She was feeling like lazy, useless. And we did a lot of techniques that I learned here. And today she's talking about possibilities. So her whole meta programs have changed. She has become, motivations become towards, I want to do this. I want to learn this. I want to start doing this. PMS completely gone. She used to have bad PMS.
That's amazing.
PMS, crying through her PMS. And now she is like completely normal. She has had some really amazing transformations. I'm very, very happy and thankful to you.